Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to make Divi button modules full width with centered content. This configuration allows a button to stretch across the entire width of its container, with its label perfectly centered. It's an ideal design choice for hero sections, pricing tables, or any layout where a standard-sized button might feel too small or not impactful enough. Stick around as we guide you through the process of achieving this bold, edge-to-edge call-to-action style with Divi. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to make a Divi button span the full width of its container using the Force Full Width setting. This is a simple and efficient method that requires no custom code. By enabling this feature with the Divi button module, Force Full Width plugin, you can achieve a sleek, modern design with minimal effort. Let's dive into how this works. To get started, open your page in the Divi Builder. If your layout doesn't already have a single column row, go ahead and add one. Once you have the row in place, add a button module from the module library. When prompted to input text for the button, you can use a label like Full Width Button. This will be the text displayed on your button. With the button module settings open, navigate to the Content tab. Here, look for the option labeled Force Full Width and toggle it on. This simple step will make your button stretch across the entire width of its container while keeping the text perfectly centered. Once you've enabled the Force Full Width setting, make sure to save your changes by clicking the main Save or Publish button in the Divi Builder. After that, exit the Builder and view your page on the front end. You'll now see your new Full Width button in action, stretching across the container with its label perfectly centered. And that's it. With just a few simple steps in Divi, you can turn any button into a bold, full-width call to action with perfectly centered text, all without needing any custom code. It's a quick and easy way to create a modern, impactful design for your site. Thanks for watching.